In this video, we are going to discuss about blocks. As you all know, in the periodic table, we have four different types of blocks, that is S block, P block, D block and F block. Here we have prepared a tabular form so that it will be easy for you to compare all the four different types of blocks. Let us see. The elements in which the differentiating electron enter into s orbital are known as s block elements. Here the thing which we have to see is nothing but the differentiating electron. The meaning for the differentiating electron is nothing but the electron which is making the difference. If we see the elements, for example carbon and nitrogen, the carbon and nitrogen elements differ by one electron. That electron which is making the difference between the nitrogen and carbon is considered as the differentiating electron. In the same way, every element differs with the adjacent element by one electron. That electron is considered as the differentiating electron, or else in simple words, the last electron of the atom or the element is considered as the differentiating electron. Let us see. The definition for the S block is the elements in which the differentiating electron. As you know, differentiating electron is nothing but the last electron. When we write the electronic configuration, the last electron, if the last electron enters into the s orbital, then that element is considered as the S block element. In the same way, P block elements, if the differentiating electron enters into the p orbital or else the last electron enter into the p orbital, that element is considered as p block element. In the similar way, D block and F block, if the differentiating electron enter into d orbital, then it is D block element. If the differentiating electron enters into the f orbital, then it is F block element. Now let us see the electronic configuration. If we see the electronic configuration for S block element, it is NS122. S block elements will have NS1 as the electronic configuration or as NS2 as the electronic configuration. If we see for the alkali metals, the outer shell electronic configuration is NS1, whereas for the alkaline earth metals, the outer shell electronic configuration is NS2. The electronic configuration for P block elements is NS2NP126. The electronic configuration for D block elements is NS2N-1D1 As you know, the electrons enter into the 4s orbital first, then enters into the 3d orbital. In the similar way, 5s first, then 4d, 6s first, then 5d. First the electrons enter into the outermost shell s orbital, then the electron enters into the inner shell d orbital. If we see the electronic configuration for f orbital, then it is ns2, n-1, d 0 or 1. Some of the elements of a f block consist as d0 or d1 electronic configuration. So the electronic configuration for F block elements is ns2, n-1, d0 or 1, n-2, f1 to 14. Here remember, after entering into the 6s orbital, the electrons enter into 4f orbital. The next thing is nothing but the number of groups which are present in s orbital. The number of groups which are present in the s orbital are 2, as because s orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons. Only 2 groups comes under s orbital, that are first group and second group. If we see the P block elements, it includes the group from group 13 to group 18, that is 6 groups comes under P block elements. If we see the D block elements, group 3 to group 12 comes under D block. And for F block, you don't have any group under F block, as F block elements are in between the D block elements. We have 4f series and 5f series when it comes to the F block elements. 4f series elements are considered as lanthanide and 5f series elements are considered as actinides. As you know, lanthanides starts from cerium, ends with lutetium, whereas actinides starts from thorium, ends with lawrencium. The other name for S and P block elements is a representative element. Remember, all the groups of S and P block except the 0 group are considered as representative elements, whereas the D block elements are considered as transition elements and F block elements are considered as inner transition elements, as because the F block elements are present in between the D block elements. Now let us see the location. The location of S block is extreme right side of the periodic table, whereas for P block it is extreme left side of the periodic table, whereas D block is present in between S block and P block, that is at the center of the periodic table, and F block elements are present at the bottom of the periodic table. It is just for the convenience purpose that F block element placed at the bottom of the periodic table, but actually the F block elements are in between the D block elements. If we see the properties of S block elements, all S block elements are metal, whereas P block elements include metal, metallites and non-metals. D block elements are metals, and D block elements starts with third period. F block elements are also metals, but F block element starts from sixth period. This is a summary of all the blocks present in the periodic table. We will see about the properties of the elements in the next coming video.